Parts are molded from high-quality voltage insulating materials. Resists carbon tracking while ensuring that the ignition spark reaches the spark plug terminals. Low-resistance brass is used for maximum voltage transfer. Performance replacement part. Distributor cap and rotor kit, MSD, Ford V8 TFI, 85-95. Top reviews from the United States. Great part. Great product so far. Price was right and definitely gave my 95 F155.0 better acceleration and torque. Smother revs and more power. I combined it with the Mad Street Fire coil and there was a noticeable difference. Very impressed and was super easy to install.